I was told if I impress the delegation, the tip might even be bigger than the actual pay.
Éduquer une femme, c'est éduquer toute une nation.
If you educate a woman, you educate a nation.
You're not going back to that house until my brother puts on his thinking cap.
But what did you expect? 6,000 cedis for a jolly ride? You must be joking.
A man leaves his matrimonial home for days without a word to his wife. And the wife thinks her lot is to sit and mourn herself to death.
Why can't this guy learn how to keep his things between his legs? I mean, the guy has to learn some discipline.
I don't judge so long as it is consensual. What is that with his things is his own business. But Chantal is different, sophisticated. It makes me uneasy.
I don't know what you mean by that. But the information I have is my client is not satisfied with your service. And by our terms, that is a breach of contract.
Really? And you haven't heard my side of the story?
Well, I'm not interested in your side of the story because you don't even bring in the money.
My reputation will be ruined if this leaks to journalists. And you can be sure that will happen when I go to the police.
This is not just about you anymore. This is about all the women out there who are at the mercy of men like that. Surely you can't let him walk away. Somebody needs to teach that man to learn to respect women. And you are going to do that.
You can't do that. What evidence do you have against my client that warrants your client even a peswa? If anything, my agency is supposed to be suing your client for breach of contract.
My client tells me the lady here saw her storm out of the place angrily. But don't worry, she may not be a willing witness, but we have some physical evidence to support our case in court.
Oh, you have nothing?
Before the court decides whether or not we have anything against your client, he will be remanded in custody pending investigation. And since this is a sexual assault, all I have to do is secure an injunction barring him from leaving the country.
Don't dare me.
Don't dare me.
What is he saying? Qu'est-ce qu'il dit?
He's threatening to prevent you from leaving the country.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, what does she want?
We are not going to give in to whatever they want.
Ah, c'est pas vrai. So what do you expect us to do?
Nothing. I don't think he can even go ahead with his threat.
Really?
I won't take that chance.
Look, I think Pascal is right on this one.
I don't want to ruin my reputation because of that stupid girl.
And I do not want to be caught in the middle either. I do not want to suffer any moral hazard.
Je ne comprends pas. Are you here to support your compatriot or you are here to betray him?
Don't even start this. Si tu avais bien fait ton boulot professionnellement, surtout avec Pascal, tout cela n'aurait pas dû arriver. Non? Oh, c'est pas du tout vrai.
How much money does she want?
How much damage does your client want?
Miss Boyer, you are $20,000 richer.
Now that should teach that man a lesson.
I still feel used. That woman at the agency. Il faut que je fasse quelque chose pour lui faire payer. Elle peut pas s'en tirer comme ça.
Easy, take it easy. We'll get here for that. This is a small victory. Just enjoy it.
I don't wanna be your lover tonight. I'm gonna love another tonight.
Tram photo man, you my photo num selfie.
My guy, know the Jones with my picture. Are you cool? You sure say they okay?
Of course.
My guy, na money. Okay. Oh yeah, go. Your turn. See, babes, no door there. See, no do church girl post there. Oh. No, they do church there. Oh. And they want you. Na money they there.
All I really want to tell you.
Kijoma, what now? A photo shoot?
It's a good thing you're here. Listen, I just got a call from the agency.
Which agency?
Escorts now. Listen, $1,000.
Hey, $1,000 to do what?
You that Chris? Okay, $1,000
to take care of those... Oh God, those oilers. Those good men with good money.
I don't feel like saying yeah, no, seriously.
Indeed, I will pass now. Sure.
You're so boring, my God. Why even they waste my breath they talk to you? Anyway, my dear, open your legs, eh? Good. Photo, go under. Good. Nice shot. I dey want you. You know what do? You know allow person to do. Eh? See fine body, good shape. Okay, shape no dey small, but shape dey where it dey. Fine color, fine hair, fine body. You know go take care money more. No, come house. Shame girl. My love, come back, give am, eh? Good.
Everybody hustle.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's a
good business.
To what do I owe the pleasure?
I have a delegation coming in, 20 in number. All your explorers of some sort. And boy, they are boisterous.
Boisterous is good. Very good for business.
They're going to be in for 2 weeks. I was wondering we could change one every week.
That means 40?
Correct.
What are the terms?
Wow. You sure shoot fast. I like that. Interesting.
This profile provides the basic info and then some. You catch my drift.
You are thorough.
That is what makes a great professional. There you go. 80 candidates to choose from.
Wow. You have such a big database.
Demand and supply.
Sharp.
Allô? Hey, on dit quoi, ça va? Attends, je te rappelle, ok, j'ai un rendez-vous, ok? À toutes.
Bonjour, bonne arrivée.
Vous parlez français?
Oui. Vous venez d'où?
Côte d'Ivoire. Et vous?
Ah, ok, du Togo.
Ah, d'accord, ok.
Alors,
I have an 11 o'clock with Annette.
ok, please, take a seat. I'll connect you in a minute.
Merci.
Hi again. Tell Annette I want this one too.
Okay, I will do.
Thank you.
She'll see you now.
Madam, wetin happen? Because she first pass me, abi she get word. Since I don't sit down here, she just come, you call her go inside. Wetin happen? And so did they do something?
She has an appointment, that's why. Take it easy, please.
Okay.
Miss Boy, you've got some nerves.
I beg your pardon?
What are you doing here after shortchanging and flexing my client?
I'm sorry, but you got it twisted. Your client settled in order to avoid jail time. Now I've come for my pay.
Aren't you a dreamer?
Really?
What the hell is wrong with you?
I should be asking you that.
Are you telling me you don't know why you are here in this room?
No. The last I heard, I was to be given a bonus.
Exactly. What did you think the bonus was?
I'm being paid to do translation services for you, that's all.
Just translation.
What else?
Don't you know the work of an escort?
An escort.
Of course, an escort.
Listen, I was asked to provide translation services to a client. I was never told to sleep with a client as part of my work.
Were you expecting to be taught in a plain language? Well, I won't be cheated on at you.
So you entrapped my client and blackmailed him?
I can see you are beyond redemption. You just pay me my money. Otherwise, you hear from a lawyer.
Sweetheart, my legal team will deal with you and your lawyer.
I also make sure that a searchlight is thrown on the racket you run here. You're a danger to all women.
I've had enough of you. Get out of my office now.
I'll leave now, but it's not finished.
When DJ Vision on the ones and twos, everybody say ah yeah. Zagadat. When DJ Vision on the ones and twos, everybody say ah yeah. It's your boy Easy.
Listening to OT Bits.
Hey, hey.
I knew how fine you here.
Hey.
You sweet tooth.
Try some of this. No. What's up?
I'm being drawn into a battle I'd rather avoid.
What did she say now?
That I've taken from a client, so no pay.
That woman is a joker. What are you going to do about her?
It's not about the money. It's the way she dealt with me. So flippant, so... Je te jure que je pourrais l'écrabouiller dans ma main comme une patate.
Easy.
I'll fight her. I'll expose her.
Now that's more like it. Do you have a plan?
It be blessings on blessings on blessings, they no be joke.
My whole body is tinkling with expectation.
Naughty, naughty.
Come on.
Let them in.
AMG baby. Station.
Okay, so we're registered and then what?
You wait till you're called to the couch.
To the couch?
That's where all the dastardly acts happen.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Relax. You seem tensed.
I am relaxed.
That's good. Because we're looking for confident and outgoing ladies.
I'm sociable.
Now to sexuality. Would you say you are heterosexual or homosexual?
Heterosexual. Although I had some homosexual encounters in high school.
Wow. Are you sexually active?
Sorry?
I mean, do you often have sex?
I have a boyfriend.
So how does your boyfriend feel about you wanting to be an escort?
He trusts me.
Wow, that's nice to know. What are your views on nudity? Are you comfortable taking off your clothes?
Do I have to take my clothes off whilst working for this agency?
Sometimes. You're here not for your brains only.
You know what? I believe I'm in the wrong place. And thanks for your consideration.
Good riddance. Should have been in trouble. Next.
So, good hunting, girls. We'll be right here, okay?
Yeah. All the best, girls.
Here we go.
Will you mind if I ask you to take off your clothes?
Sure. Listen, me, I can do anything, even if you want me to.
No. You can put it back on. You've made your point.
No, I can do anything. If the money is good, why
really?
not?
Very good.
Yes, as in, I can literally take everything off. As long as you see.
Are you watching? Eh? You're watching, right?
You have a seat. I can see you mean business.
Are you sure?
Okay. All right.
By the way, the boss brain.
Look at all these beautiful girls.
Ils savent pas ce qu'ils attendent. Hein?
Business must be booming, huh? The traffic no be easy.
Sex tourism is the main driver. Plus, some of the girls don't know the score like me.
Well, come to think of it, maybe it's not such a bad idea. After all, you can pull out anytime.
Or get raped, or worse.
Yeah.
Plus, you don't get paid if the client doesn't get their way.
It's a refined brothel, my dear.
Exactly. Je te dis, c'est une forme de prostitution classique, quoi.
I believe we have 10 good ones already.
Yeah, but most of your girls are seriously liberated, though.
Why? You wanted virgins?
Touché.
Tell me about yourself.
I'm Dennis. I'm Nabeko. I speak French, Spanish, and Chinese. I'm outgoing, love to meet new people and travel as well.
Are you sexually active?
No, I'm a virgin. I'm saving myself for marriage.
Wow, really? And that's good.
Virgin. Don't worry, let's keep her. You know, we can groom her. Now, that's a good one.
Do you do sports or anything? You have a very athletic body.
Thank you. Well, I work out.
I'm sure you flaunt it. Your body, I mean.
So when the occasion demands, why not?
Your boy is really good, though.
There's something about this one.
So will you take off your clothes for me?
What are you offering?
The opportunity to meet some very rich people.
And how is their wealth supposed to affect me?
Smart woman. 1,000 for showing them around and being nice.
Just being nice?
Will you take off your clothes for $1,000?
Are you soliciting?
Cut.
But does your escort service include sex?
Don't answer.
Excuse me, sir. I need to get this one. Hello?
Come back, Aisha.
Yeah.
We found someone who might be useful.
There's something wrong. He lost it. She was questioning him.
But
Okay.
I found her in the bathroom crying.
What?
Traumatized by the interview. I gotta take.
Splendid, because I have the scoop too.
What is going on here? This is not a circus.
Indeed. More like a brothel, madam.
Then what are you doing here?
Well, we were just about leaving.
He asked me to take off my dress, that I would be well paid if I did.
There's more. And I have the pictures too. You will hear and see the rest in the news. Sweet, you know what? Let's go.
More sama kwakwa. Ono obi afos one. Obi asha one. Ontumi ye won kwae. Krasi ni bia soros ni enu egbe. Wonsudu.
VVIP. Senadagadu.
Bashigi. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? body show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Skolo.
Somebody enter Skolo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make I bust a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, home on fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Nadine never expire.